Hello, everyone! Welcome to the first Inside Hstudios episode of the year. We are your new anchors. My name's Kaya.
And my name is Bailey. And we here at Inside Hstudios hope you all had an amazing summer and start your school year with a bang.
Speaking of starting the school year off with a bang, Bailey, did you go to the Korean Assembly?
Yes, I loved it. The performers were so adorable and rich. I really wish we got to know a bit more about them.
Well, your wish is our command. We interviewed the performers before the assembly and got the most adorable interviews ever. Let's check it out.
Hi, who am I here with today?
Taeyun Kwan.
Nice to meet you. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great
And why do you feel that way?
because today I got an opportunity to share Korean culture to all of the students here.
What will you be performing today?
We will be performing many different things, including speeches, dances, and piano performances.
Wow, that sounds great. I'm excited.
Yeah, and I'll be performing speech.
Nice, okay. What's your favorite food from Korea?
I would say probably Korean ramen, although it's not really healthy, spicy. I get a chance to release my stress by eating ramen.
Yeah, I love ramen too. What are you looking forward to doing in the U.S.?
I'm looking forward to enjoy the great nature as well as the going around the Hollywood street. And yeah, I'm also really excited about today's show.
What's been your favorite part of your visit so far?
Pardon?
What's been your favorite part of your visit so far?
I would say that the Griffith Observatory was my favorite because it was great to see such a massive landscape, and the Hollywood sign looked really great. Yeah, I love this city.
What's your name?
My name is Kylie.
Kylie. Nice to meet you. Okay. How are you feeling today?
Good,
Good. Why are you feeling good?
because I can have a show in this college.
Are you excited to show off your skills today?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited? Okay. What will you be performing today?
I will dance K-pop shows, and I will speech how K-pop is good.
What's your favorite thing about your performance?
Dancing.
Dancing? Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite food from Korea?
설렁탕.
That sounds good. Yeah, I haven't tried that yet. And what are you looking forward to doing in the U.S.?
I want to explore new places.
New places?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, what's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. Nice to meet you, Lucas. What are you performing today?
Speech.
Are you excited to perform it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What makes you so excited about it?
Speech.
Okay. What has been your favorite part about your experience in the U.S.?
Universal Studio.
Universal Studio? You been there?
No.
Oh, you want to go there?
Excited.
Oh, you're excited to go there?
Yeah.
That's nice. What is your favorite place in Korea?
Everyone.
Everywhere? Nice. Okay. So what is your passion? What makes you excited to come out here? What pushes you to do better?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Nothing? You're just happy to be here? Thank you so much, man. I love you being here and everything. Thank you for your time, man. Can you high five?
Aww. Wow, they're all so talented. I really hope they enjoy their stay in America.
Me too. Kaya, did you know that this month is Hispanic Heritage Month?
Yes, I did. And to honor Hispanic Heritage Month, the Inside Hstudios crew sent me out to interview you all on your favorite aspects of Hispanic culture.
Let's see what you all had to say.
Hi, my name is Kaya, and I will be interviewing people for Hispanic Heritage Month. Hi, what is your name?
My name's Fernando Cruz.
And who is your favorite Hispanic cultural hero?
My favorite Hispanic cultural hero is probably Selena. Her music was amazing, and I grew up with her, and yeah.
Thank you. Hi, what are your names?
Chloe, Scarlett,
Anaya.
Maria.
Sarah.
And what are your favorite Hispanic cultural foods?
Tacos.
Sopa de fideo.
Enchiladas.
Tacos.
Empanadas.
Thank you.
My name's Christian Burgos. You could call me Big C.
My name is Cosmo.
And who are your favorite Latinx artists?
There's a lot. I listen to a few, but notable one, I would say Bad Bunny.
Well, I think my favorite is Selena Gomez.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
Cross.
And what is your favorite aspect of Hispanic culture?
Probably the music. It's very vibrant and lively, and it's not like anything you can get anywhere else, really. It's something I've always appreciated.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you. Hi, what are your names?
London.
And Danny.
And who are your favorite Latinx artists?
Alexa Demi.
Mine is Callie Uchis because she's a really good singer and I just think she has a really beautiful voice.
Yeah, I really like her music. Thank you, guys. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Emily.
And what is your favorite Hispanic cultural food?
My favorite Hispanic food would probably be like tacos.
Yeah, what kind of like meat and stuff do you like to put on your tacos?
I like either pork or beef or like steak.
Yeah, okay, me too. Thank you. Hi, what is your name?
Pani Saavedra.
And what is your favorite aspect of Hispanic culture?
Sorry. My favorite aspect of Hispanic culture, I wouldn't call it Hispanic because I'm not Hispanic, because Hispanics really represents Spain and I'm not from Spain. I'm more of a Chicana. So that is more about the Aztecs. And actually, the Aztecs is not really the real name of what those people were called. They were called the Mexicas. So if you think of Mexico and you take away the O and put an A there, they were actually the Mexicas. And so my favorite aspect of my culture or the Hispanic or Mexican culture would be our flag, because our flag really represents the beginning of the Mexicas and how they discovered Mexico City back then. And it speaks so much to our culture and what it represents.
That's so interesting. Can you tell us about what you're wearing today?
Today I'm wearing a poncho and it's from Peru. And so I was very fortunate to meet the artist at a flea market, and she was so sweet and so beautiful, and I wanted to represent her and also support, my fellow Latinas, and I got that from her.
I love it. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Wow, Hispanic culture is so rich and vibrant.
It sure is. And in other news, Hollywood recently had its first Club Rush of the year.
Yes, we did. We got some footage of Club Rush and thought you all would like to check it out. Roll the clip. Wow, I'm for sure joining a lot of clubs this year.
I know, right? There's so many options. Well, that brings this episode of Inside H Studios to an end.
Stay awesome, Hollywood, and we'll see you next month.
Bye.